What's up, guys? It's September 17th, 2024. Had a sideways to downtrend day in the markets today. We'll talk about the daily 45 minute. I'm a little bit, what am I trying to say? I don't know how legit this gap up is because it's contract rollover, so I just give it a couple days. I guess maybe talk about the daily 45. Are we trading at 507, 570? On TradingView, it's all the same, but on NinjaTrader, the broker, it's off by 100 points, so it's throwing me off today. It's off by 100 points, our gap. Well, hold on, let's figure this out. Yesterday's low is right here. So that's just a rough estimate. I just copy, paste. Okay, yeah, so the daily chart's not sitting right because, wait, because this line would be pretty close to yesterday's low. We'll just give that a couple days to catch up. 2 seconds, I gotta mute the mic. Excuse me. Okay, so I ended up getting tore up right here. I kind of went overboard on a couple of these legs and I messed up. Gap up, bar one, bad follow through for the bulls after a gap up. Then we see a two-legged pullback, 2, 3. 1 second. So we see a gap up, bears sell, and then they get a pullback. So this is a bearish pullback after a gap. Excuse me. This is a pullback for the bears after a gap up. Bar 5, inside bar after a gap up. I think if you're short for the EMA, you should get out. Yesterday we ended up pretty weak bull rally, but the day closed in a bull rally, and today we have a gap up. Bar 7, good bull bar, making a gap with bar. That's 7, 8. Bar 7 making a gap with bar 8. So now after she's 79, we could expect a second leg higher, and that second leg higher does come with 14, 15, 16. You could also say there's a second leg right here. You have to scalp out quickly, or you can sit through a drawdown, depending on how you trade it. If you buy the close here, you're only going to make a couple points. There's lots of selling. So if you want to see how this breakout works, this is the distance we closed, and half of that was tail. So this is a body close above bar 1. We still have a gap up, so the bulls have momentum, and they do get a small leg too, but you just have to be a little bit quicker. Bears get a pullback 7, excuse me, market starts to pull back 16, 17, 18, 19 inside bar, and then the bulls get a rally here. This ends up being a pullback for a bear leg 1, pullback leg 2. 24 breaks out below the EMA, and bears start to get continuation. 30 looks like a good sell signal, lots of tails under the EMA. 31, 33, excuse me, 31, 32, 33, 34. The bear channel, I think it's trying to get a second leg, and it sells off. 35 climactic, 36 opposite bar, and then let's get the second leg. Look at these bars here. Starts off kind of small, very regular size. 39 gets bigger. 41 is the biggest bar, so you could say it's climactic after 3 legs lower. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. So we have the breakout. We have 3 legs lower. Part of the market cycle now is to go range bound, and that's what happened today. I didn't respect the market cycle and I got crushed. After 41 gets put in, I think it's safe to think about getting out of shorts. I got out of shorts around here. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2 into the EMA. 48's that first touch of the EMA after a bear trend with 2 gaps open, at least 2 gaps open. Withdraw the gaps open. Withdraw the gaps later. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. I got trapped here. I moved my PT and it trapped me. 52, 53. I think it's strong enough for a leg 2. But we're in a trading range, so it could be delayed leg 2. So we go leg 1, opposite bar, leg 2 here. Just fractal, that's the second leg trap, 57. Good, I think it's a good short, but we have to ask ourselves how much bull pressure we have. What are bulls looking for? Bulls want to get to the high of 36. 58 trapping traders, 59. Looks like it's breaking out. I got trapped here, 60 reverses lower. We have multiple gaps open, so the EMA is acting as resistance. The market's going sideways, and now we're getting lower highs. 64 sell vacuum, testing the lows. 65 inside bar. I think it's safe to get out of shorts. 66. Excuse me, I lost my train of thought. 66 is follow through for 65. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2. And then here we get delayed leg 2, leg 1, pull back, leg 2. And then here's that final delayed leg 2. So you can say leg 1, pull back, leg 2. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. Look at leg 4. It's just sideways. Why did today's review go fast? So let's go over the gaps. We have a gap up, pull back, no bear gap, and then we have a bull gap after a gap up, so that's good for the bulls. 8, 9, a small gap here. High of 14, 30 even. The low of 15 is 30.50, so there's a 2-tick gap here. Bears would have had a gap here, but bar 19 rallied, so the low is 30 even. The high is 30 even, so there's a 0 height gap. Bulls did a good job to this gap, but bears eventually shorted highs again. This creates a lower high. The market structure is starting to change. It used to be bullish. 24 changes that. At least bears start to see follow through, and then finally 33, 34, 35, they get a gap. Another gap here, 30, 38, 39, 40. And then we go range bound. And we can see that when we're in a range bound, gaps start closing. All these gaps closed, and that means we're range bound. When gaps stay open, the market could be trending. Best to trade with the EMA. And when gaps are closing, for me, I need to learn how to sit out. But if you're a range bound trader, you might be good at fading these things. I'm not, so I gotta avoid that price action for now. But yeah, hope you guys are studying. Hope you guys are learning. I know my YouTube posting is slowing down because I'm just really focused on trying to get profitable right now. I'm trading live, but it's not going so well. So I'm not really talking too much about it yet because I'm just trying to focus on these reviews and get some results. Hope you guys are doing okay. I'm still trading breakouts, looking at gaps in the market cycle. I'm just getting trapped in moments like here. I looked out all my trades. I pretty much, just like today, I got destroyed here. The reason I'm getting destroyed is because I'm sizing up. I don't understand. I know right now to tell you guys I shouldn't size up, but I do. So I'm going to work on it. I sized up here. I sized up here. I did not size up there. Shredded here. So the market's been kind of tough. It's been more sideways, harder for breakout traders. I hope you guys have been doing good. If you guys learned something, share the show. If you didn't, don't share the show. And don't tell your friends about it because I must be doing a bad job if you didn't learn anything. But if you did learn something, tell someone about it. Have a good day. Hope you guys are learning. Please use your seatbelt and use your stop loss. And I appreciate your support. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.